What is an email marketing software? Have you ever wondered, what is an email marketing software? Do you often wonder what are the features and techniques of email marketing software? Have you found yourself frequently thinking, if you have proper knowledge of setting up email marketing system from zero? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. And subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about what is an email marketing software. Now let's get into it. Email marketing software is a tool that is utilized for managing and tracking top-of-the-line email marketing campaigns. These kinds of campaigns use databases where email messages are targeted and customized according to the personal preferences of individual recipients. The tools handle promotions of the small-scale to high-scale marketing campaigns. Features of email marketing software. They handle a wide variety of tasks that allows marketers to measure the results of the campaigns. Email marketing software enables them to target and communicate with audiences in an easy way. They can make target recipient lists that are sophisticated and accurate, using a wide range of demographic data as a basis. Text and HTML messages can be created, and they can be previewed before being delivered. The software also has the ability to monitor each click-through and open mail messages that are sent to users. Graphical reports regarding the progress of the campaign are generated. Advanced software has features such as they flag invalid email addresses and duplicates. It also flags unsubscribed accounts forever, so that marketers will not add them up again accidentally on their lists. Contacts are arranged into separate groups. This will allow marketers to segment the mailing lists. The contact lists can be added with a fair amount of information such as name, address and contact numbers. Provides a wide variety of email templates for HTML to make the messages look more attractive and professional. Enables the personalization of emails by adding the first and last name of the recipient in the subject line or the main body of the message. Ability to deliver thousands of messages in seconds. Techniques in using email marketing software. Email marketing has a great potential to be the most effective marketing technique around, if it is used correctly. First is special offers. They are classic techniques in direct marketing that turns out well when converted to email. To make sure that they are effective, recipients must be offered something that is of real value. These offers must be something that is substantial to the user. Marketers are advised not to offer discounts that are lower than the profits, and time limits should be established. Second is invitations. Sending invitations to events such as conferences and seminars can be an effective strategy. In dispensing invitations, the number of times that emails are sent is a very vital factor. If done correctly, it can dramatically increase the number of attendees. The quantity of recipients that will register can double up if users can click through from an email to the web page where online registration or an RSVP is permitted. To lessen the number of people who have no plans to show up in the event, emailed reminders can be sent to those who have already registered. Third is keeping in touch. The purpose of sending newsletters to users is not to get an immediate response, but more on simply keeping or maintaining contact. Newsletter content range from tips to photographs of a certain event. The point of sending newsletters is to establish a significant connection with the users by providing them with information that is not present somewhere else. Originality is very essential to the success of this particular technique, for it reflects the individuality of the company to the user and differentiates it from the competition. 2 important rules. In line with utilizing the software, there are 2 important rules that must be followed in order to achieve marketing goals. Firstly, send only meaningful content to persons that requested them. Do not attempt to send users extra content that is totally unrelated to their preferred information in hopes of them availing the other service. This method will only lessen the value of the relationship between marketer and subscriber. It is perfectly alright to send a subscriber a monthly newsletter that promotes other services, but always stay within the requested information. Secondly, maintain consistency on the frequency of sending the messages. The frequency of sending messages will depend on the type of the business and the interest level of subscribers. The important thing to remember is that once businesses have found the right frequency delivery, they should stick to it. You can do it yourself. Even if you don't know anything about email marketing, it's not difficult for you to learn how to take advantage of its benefits. One of the easiest types of internet marketing that you can do is that of the email signature line. It requires nothing more than adding the address of your website to every outgoing email, thus increasing the potential that a new customer may see it, visit, and become interested in buying. Although you may not need this so much for your work email, if you have a separate email for your personal correspondence, it can work wonders for you. Since it's only a signature line and not an actual advertisement, you don't have to worry about being accused of sending spam, but at the same time, you are able to get your point across. Another thing you can do is make sure that you submit your website to the search engines. If you have a webmaster who takes care of your website, this may be part of the deal with them, but you want to make sure of that. If you maintain your own website, it's important to make sure that you submit the site to as many of the search engines as possible. There are some places where you can submit free, but that involves a link back to their site from your site, probably not a very business-like proposition. Besides, if you pay for the service, you will be able to submit to more of the search engines, along with directories and other places that will give your website very high exposure. Although not as effective as the methods above, you can also place the link to your website on free-for-all links pages, where other people will see them. You want to make sure to choose those who do not require an email address to avoid unwanted advertisements in your email. So you want to find pages that are specifically for businesses such as yours, rather than those who allow individuals to advertise services and projects in which they participate. You may also try classified advertisements, but these are in the same category as the FFA pages, and probably even less effective. They are good to add another marketing source, but don't expect too much from them. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about what is an email marketing software. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.